Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. We have here interesting facts. Beautiful blue aquarium shrimp. Hipon po ito, guys. Shrimps are full of nutrients. Very nutritious. There are reasons why shrimp is my favorite seafood. I do my research. These delicious crustaceans range in size from small to colossal. Their mild taste, meaty texture, and low-cost oil. You can actually enjoy each shrimp. It's either fried, boiled, baked, or grilled. Benefits, source of omega-3, fatty acids, calcium, protein, and iodine. Shrimps have a natural sweet flavor due to natural sugar like glucose and fructose, which contribute to their sweet taste amino acid. Shrimp is good for everybody: kids, children, teenager, adults, men, women. Most popular seafood po ang shrimp. Shrimp, antioxidant, good for your health. Benefits, can protect your cells against damage, helps prevent wrinkles, and lessen sun damage. Enjoy nyo lang po yung view ng aquarium. Beautiful blue shrimp. Blue hipon po ito. Playing hide and seek. Thank you for watching this video. Pa-like and subscribe. Gracias.